Well, on today's show, you'll see an ocean racing team that defied the modern trend towards catamarans and built a classic V-bottom boat that became a cat killer. This deep-vee design has been a tradition and a favorite for ocean racers for many years. But then a couple years ago, catamarans came into the picture, making these V's obsolete. But a group named Team Apache decided not to bow to the fad. They built themselves a V-bottom boat named Warpath, and the ocean became a stage for a showdown.
That's the first V-bottom open boat that's been built in the last probably 2 years for the Open 2 class. Quite an experiment, and it's coming out. The first race running in a strong second place.
Miami, playground of the rich, home to the exclusive jet-set world of offshore powerboat racing. Marine craft regarded as the fastest, most expensive, most technologically advanced in the world. Their goal? Success in the coveted American Powerboat World Championship. To win this title against the odds is a dream seldom realized. That is, until Team Apache's Warpath entered the fray.
Doing a good job of it. A lot of navigational questions right now. Where is the checkpoint? These guys are turning very good speed. They're doing 75 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour in huge, huge seas out here.
Team Apache, a special blend of American powerboat racers. Ben Kramer, driver. At 30 years old, the youngest offshore powerboat champion in racing history. Bob Saccenti, throttle man, a veteran racer and boat builder, president and founder of Apache Powerboats. Keith Eickert, engine designer, an expert at constructing peak performance racing engines. Don Arnaud, hull designer, design consultant and fabled boat builder. Maintenance and mechanical, the best that money can buy. Together, Team Apache is on the warpath.
Whoa!
We were dubbed as the dinosaur racing team because our whole design was supposedly antiquated, and we beat all the catamarans. That was great.
In 1981, the introduction of the twin-hull catamaran heralded the demise of the deep-vee racer. The legendary cigarettes of Don Arnaud were being phased out by the lighter, faster catamarans, capable of average speeds well in excess of 100 miles per hour. So, when in early 1982, Ben Kramer, Bob Saccenti, and Tom Eickert announced the formation of Team Apache and proposed building a 41-foot deep-vee racer, the race community was unimpressed.
We're going right now 90 miles an hour. These guys are amazing. They are walking away with the race. Look at this boat handle. Whoa! They are on the warpath. The Apache team is on the warpath. They're going like mad. It is a sight to see. 90 miles an hour in these big seas, and nobody, I repeat, nobody is staying with them. There's nobody else out here, folks.
We took the boat out last year and ran it in 6 races, getting it ready for the World Championships. And there again, we took a boat that everybody dubbed as a loser, and took it to the first 5 races and came in second in every race. And that's about it, and took it to Key West.
And here comes the winner in Offshore Class 2. This is the World Championship. Ben Kramer in a 69 boat.
Very, very strong sounding motors in there. And right now they're in second place in Open 2. Very sanitary looking rig.
Today, Warpath is the fastest V-bottom boat in the world. Top speed 120 miles per hour. Its success is a product of the craft and skill of Team Apache.
We feel our Apache Powerboats are the best. First of all, design. We have the best design in the V-bottom. that's being built, and I know them all. I've been in this business for many years. First of all, the equipment that we put in, the engineering that goes into, the people that work on the boats, our crew, our team, we have the best that's available. Everybody's very serious about it, dedicated, and everybody puts their heart into it. That's why I think we have the best boat.
Look at the throttle work in there. Bob Saccenti. Look at the arm of Bob Saccenti, the magic throttle arm. It's right in on that throttle arm, Phil. Show us how it's done, Bob.
As experienced boat builders, Ben Kramer and Bob Saccenti have taken their commitment one step further, building their own marina called Fort Apache. The Warpath was built at Fort Apache. The lightweight hull is made of Kevlar, a material 1/3 lighter than fiberglass. The engines are two modified 454 cubic inch Chevys, fast and dependable.
We've never blown a motor in any of the offshore races, so it's a pretty good track record.
Good luck to the Apache Factory Racing Team and their brand new Warpath.
Two new boats are being prepared, a 42-foot Apache Scat Cat and a 38-foot aluminum catamaran.
But look at this Apache. Whoa, they got up there too. The Warpath showing you how big those seas are.
Actor James Caan, a longtime race enthusiast, will be joining the team.
I don't estimate their size. Depending upon whether you're an old salt or not, it's anywhere from 4 to 8. But they're big, big seas. Bigger than Sarasota. Big enough to stand the 50-foot Popeyes right on its tail again and again and again.
Regardless of conditions or competition, Team Apache is on the warpath to success.
We're sitting here, yeah, the Apaches are taking scalps today. They're not taking any prisoners, I guarantee you. They're showing us how it's done. I haven't heard them wing those engines one time, and this is rough throttling at 90 miles an hour, folks.
As impressive as this run was by the big 41-foot Apache, they unfortunately did not finish the Walsh Grand. Another team that was dominant in rough water, of course, was Ben Kramer's Apache entry. Had it not been for some mechanical gremlins, this team would have run away with the Open Class National Championship.